Okay, so before running the program, what is the change I need to do? I have
The
to
input value.
my input values. So Java 18 and I want to create Java 18. So every time, whenever you are executing your program, make sure the new record details has to create. Okay. So otherwise, what will happen? Previously, that record already had been created. Record already exists, it will prompt. So you can change the input values so that these new record details it can be created. Just remember that point. Whenever you are rerunning the program, the record already exists. So make sure you have changed your input data. So run as test engine test. So I had called all my methods. I have created object and I had called all my methods here. Okay. So let's run this program. Run as test engine test. Click on proceed. So this time the new record will be created. Okay. So appropriate methods will be executed. So the methods will be executed in the same order, and whenever that method is executing, corresponding lines of code will be executed. So now this time, so what is the record had been created? Java 18 record had been created successfully. Everyone is clear? So is everyone able to clear how to segregate the methods? Okay. So hope up to this part everyone is clear. Okay. Now what is the last step? So this is the second program I don't want to touch. So in this program, I told you how to write the methods. So I'm copying the same program, copy, and I'm pasting here. So now I want to do the final changes in this program. TC01 add skills to. So this is the class created, and for this class, this is the object has been created, and all codes remain same, everything. Okay, now you can tell me this. What is the next step?
Now we need to declare global variables and local variables in our appropriate method.
Yes. These steps, what is this concept we can call?
Non-static methods.
Non-static method.
Parameterization, basically.
Non-static methods with parameterization.
Parameters.
So, right now, so non-static methods with parameterization. So what is the first step I need to do? I need to declare global variables.
Yeah.
So in every method, so this is the value is there within the double quotation. I am taking this value string test URL is equal to this one. Okay. And so step one declaration of global variables. Okay, and the next point, username and password in login method, username and password are the input values. So let's declare global variables here. String username is equal to admin. Guys, I'm getting some background noise. Please go on mute. Admin 123. Right, login method parameters declared, and add skills. Any values are there? Skill name and skill description. Okay, let's declare that one as well. String skill name is equal to Java 19 and skill description.
Java 19 description.
So global variables had been declared. Everyone is clear? Right. Now all the values had been declared. So step one is completed. So tell me guys, what is the step two?
Passing global variables to main method.
Passing global variables to main method. Who is telling?
Monica.
Monica, very good, Monica. So test URL, username, Come up password. Guys, those people why they are telling means they are following videos at least 2 times or 3 times. If you are also following, you can able to tell. Passing global variables to methods. That's it. So I had passed global variables to methods. So step 2 is completed. Step 2 done. Passing global variables to methods. Okay. Now what I need to do? So I have to.
Now we need to declare.
So where for open orange HRM method, I have to create a local variable. Okay, let's go to the open orange HRM method. So I'm declaring string test URL1. And this is the local variable I'm replacing. Okay. So this is the value I'm replacing with the local variable. So first method is done. Second one, string username comma string password. So login method I need to create local variable. So let's create string username 1, string password 1. Right? Let's replace the values. One second. Username 1. So here I'm replacing password. Guys, generally you will do mistake like this within the double quotation. One second. You will do mistake like this. So if you are replacing variable, just you have to remove double quotations also. Just remember. Okay. So you have to keep local variables in the send case. Okay, login method also done. And what is the last method?
Add this.
Method I have to create.
Is
I have to do parameterization. So string skill name 1, string skill description 1.
in description.
So I have to replace local variables. Okay, so now local variables had been replaced. Okay, so parameterization completed in 3 steps. Step 1, we need to create global variables. Step 2, we have to pass global variables to methods. And step 3, we have to create the local variables for every method, and we have to replace the local variables. Okay, right? These are the 3 steps we had done. And why we are doing methods parameterization? Anybody can tell? Yes, I'm waiting from online.
To make the input values easy to manage.
Yes, we can easily modify the input values in the global variable. Suppose if I'm changing here Java 20, so right now my global variables contains the latest input values here. Skill name contains Java 20 and skill description contains. So these are the variables. Skill name Java skill name value, it can be passed to skill name 1, and skill description value, it can be passed to skill description 1. So global variable values will be passed to local variables, and while executing the program, those values can be replaced here. Okay, so let's run this. So easy to manage my test data. Okay, right, let me run this program. Run as test engine test. Right, Java 20 record had been created. So Java 20 record has been created successfully. If I want to create new test data, what I need to do? Just I need
Global we need to change global
Change.
value.
That's it. I no need to go and check each and every method. I can easily manage my input data and I can run. That's it. So to implement parameterization, there are only 3 steps. Global variables declaration, passing global variables to methods, and every method we have to create local variable and we need to replace the values with local variables. So Java 21 record had been created successfully. Okay, so this is the final program we had completed. So in the organizations, to implement an automation process, you have to complete the automation up to here. Okay, so initially we had written set of driver commands in the first program. So after that, I copied this program copy and I had pasted into here. So TC01 add skills one program, I had written methods. Okay, how to write the methods, this we have learned. And after that, what I did, I copied this program and I, again in this package I had pasted and I had given TC01 add skills to. So finally, so TC01 add skills to parameterization completed. Okay, so in 3 steps I had implemented. So what I am doing is, so like that, I have completed automation. So what now, this package is not available in your Orange HRM 11 because I had created today, right? So it won't be there in your project. So what I'm doing is I'm taking this copy, I'm taking this package. So on this package name, I'm doing copy. 1 second, and I'm pasting on my desktop. And this package name send to compressed zip folder. So I made it as zip folder like this. Okay. So 1 second. All right. So right now my zip folder contains that folder. Okay. Let us assume I'm also deleting this complete package, all labs. ABC, that package is not available. ABC underscore fib2, that package is not available. Okay. And but so let me share this package first. Where is that? I had shared new link, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Still somebody is asking me.
No, it got delivered slowly.
Okay. So on my desktop, ABC FIP2, this is the package name mentioned. So when you will click on this link, this zip file will be downloaded. Okay. So you can also able to download this zip folder on your system. The next movement, what you need to do is just right click here, extract here or extract file. So I'm doing extract here. So this is the folder came outside. Okay. So now what I am doing is I'm doing copy. Okay. I'm doing copy this folder and I'm coming back to here under SRC test Java, right click under SRC test Java, right click and click on paste. See now ABC underscore fib2 this project came. Okay. So like that you need to, so like that you also need to get the daily newly created package. You can unzip and paste it. Okay. So just right click here, extract here or extract file, this folder will come. So just right click, copy and come back to SRC test Java and right click and paste it so that you can get my labs. Okay. If you want to do your new practice, create a new packages and do the exercises. Okay. This is the reference I had given for your understanding purpose. All the labs are available like that. Got the point, everyone? On day-to-day basis, I will share the zip files, whatever new things that I am doing. Okay. The exercise for everyone today's lab. So you can write a program. So I did for admin qualification skills, right? So you can do the program in a new package. Go to admin job titles, new program, and click on add button. So job title you can do sales 2. And so this job specification we are not automating, only job title, job description, job note, and I'm clicking on save. This is the test case you have to do automation. Okay, means So you have to complete up to parameterization. Create a new package, first write set of driver commands. And second program, copy and
Okay.
paste the second program, write the methods. And the third step, you have to complete parameterization. So this is the exercise for everyone for today's task. Okay.
Okay.
Got it, everyone? Okay, let's complete
Yes,
that now.
Mr.
If you got a stuck anywhere, you can ask support from Madhu. And if anybody's programs are not running, okay, call to Madhu, she can be available. Okay, yesterday I pinged her mobile number also in the group. So if you are having any installation issues or any doubts, okay, you can ask. Okay, now I will upload yesterday's video recordings and today's video recordings. In next 10 minutes, I will share all the videos, installation videos and today's videos. I will share the YouTube video links in next 10 minutes.
Okay.
Okay, anyway, I will upload it. Okay, anybody is having any doubts for today's class?
No doubts, sir.
Okay, good. Okay, that's it for today. Just focus on the lab part and let's complete. Guys, if you have to watch the videos at least for 2 or 3 times because you
Okay,
are
sir,
from
sure.
non-IT background, you are telling that point, keep on. So you must have to watch the videos. Okay, whatever videos I'm sharing, just watch the videos at least for one more time or 2 times so that your confidence will grow like anything. Okay. Thank you, guys. Thank you, everyone.